Okay, tell
Ma'am,
me the
please, can I
answer,
say the
both of
answer?
you.
Please.
Ma'am,
5,000 rupees.
5,000 is
5,000.
from.
Yes, correct. Very good. So
Now
5,000
we
is the
speed
correct
run the
answer.
answer, ma'am. Now we
Yes,
speed run
you
the answer.
correct. Good.
Yay.
Okay, so that's it for
Ma'am,
today.
Fine.
yes, ma'am.
We'll meet in the next class. Bye bye. Take care.
Thank you. And bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you for teaching us.
Hi Tasmeen, hi Saad.
Hi, ma'am.
Can you guys hear me?
Yes.
All right, I'm share. Both of you, please switch on your videos, and I'm sharing the screen. Give it 1 second. Okay, I'm not the host yet, so okay, now I can share. Saad, I cannot see you. Please switch on your video. All right. So in the previous class, we started with simple equations. Was the concept clear? Whatever background I gave, was it clear? Give me 1 second. I'm opening the PDF, so give me 1 second. Then we'll start. Okay. All right. Okay, so in the previous class, we started with a little intro. I asked you guys to give me a few examples of the simple equations, right? Now let's do a little let's do some operations also. So this is what we did in the last class. Started with the intro, then we went on with what are constants, what are variables. Tasmeen, can you tell me what a constant is?
Ma'am, constant is like a fixed, like called a fixed number.
Yes.
per digit.
Uh, the constant is basically a quantity whose value does not change. So it has a fixed value. Constants will have fixed value. Sath, what are the opposite? What is the opposite of constant?
Opposite of constant.
Mhm.
I don't remember. I forgot.
Rasmi, do you remember?
No, no. It's something starts with V, right?
Mm-hmm.
Is it a
Yes, it
variable?
starts with yes, very good. So variable is the opposite. Why? Because a constant is something whose value does not change, whereas a variable is something whose value will change. Like it's not a constant. Okay. Okay, Saad.
Yes,
Hi,
ma'am.
Zainab. Am I audible? Please switch on your video. Okay.
Yes.
We started with simple linear equations or simple equation or linear equation in the previous class. I
Yes.
just gave an intro, so you didn't miss anything.
No, I'm this class, previous class.
You were
Yes.
okay, okay, okay. I thought you were not. Did you join late,
No, I was there.
or was
We
it
had 10 minutes, so you said you're gonna explain this.
okay? Okay. Yeah, yeah, okay. All right. So, so far this is what all sorts of operations can happen. What are the four major operations that we use? Can I even tell? In maths, what are the four things?
Multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction.
Very good. So it's addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So these are all the operations we will use when it comes to linear equations. Okay. For simple linear equations, these are the operations we will be using. Okay. So let me just give you a quick gist. Also, like in the previous examples that we give, you can see that addition is happening here, right? Some things that you can see clearly is addition is happening, subtraction is happening. But what about the numbers that I've written like 4y? So there is no operation sign, like you cannot see any sign between 4 and y. So what that means is that this is in multiplication. So that means it's 4 multiplied by y. Okay. So let's say they are saying that the value of y is 3. So now the value of y will be 4 into y, and y is how much? 4 into, so you will write 3. 4 threes are 12. So you can say that the value of 4y is 12. Does that make sense,
Yes, ma'am.
everyone? Okay. Now, so
So,
whenever there is Mhm.
can we take any of the signs like multiplication, subtraction, or only a specific one is needed?
Where in like one equation?
Yeah, like it's 4y. Why did we take multiplication only? We could take
Okay,
addition and
okay,
all.
why? See, what I was trying to tell is whenever you see that there is no sign, like, right, these numbers are written together. So that means this is multiplication. Okay. I'll tell you
Okay.
for addition as well. That means this is multiplication. If 4 and y were in addition, then we will write it as 4 plus y. Okay. If they are in
Okay.
subtraction, we will write 4 minus y, or it's prefer we write the variable first. So it's written as y plus 4 or y minus 4. Okay. So
Okay.
this is for addition. This is for subtraction. Similarly, for division, it will be y upon 4. Okay. This is division. So I
Okay.
was just telling you how it looks when it's in multiplication. Okay. How I what I started what I started initially was that you can see that subtraction is happening here, right? Addition also you can see, but when the numbers are written, when the number and variable are written like this, like 4y, then what operation is happening? So multiplication is there. Okay. Is it clear? Okay.
Yes. 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 Yes.
Let's say there is a number. Okay. Okay, let's say there is something written like z times 7. So how will you write it? So times basically means multiplication, right? So you will write it as 7z. Okay, so what they're going to do in the question is they'll give you the statement words like this: z times 7, z divided by 7. So what you're going to do is you will have to write it in this form. Okay, so z times 7 can be written like this. Okay, so far is it clear?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
just quickly write this part. The four things I've shown, how the equation will look like.
Okay.
And write it very quickly.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
All right, Saad, are you also done?
Almost like I'm at division.
Okay.
You can continue.
Okay. So I'll be starting with the
Done.
question, so complete first. Okay. So now in the first question, they have given a table, right? And you have to just find the values. It's very easy question. Okay. So now one thing that you have to okay, let's start with the question, then only I'll explain. So the first question is saying that they have given you one equation. In this case is first one is x plus 3 and it's equal to 0. Now they are saying the value of x is 3 and you have to check whether this is correct or not. So if it's correct, we write yes. If it's incorrect, we write no. Okay, so we will check whether the value of x is 3 or not. Okay,
Sorry, ma'am. Yes,
just
please. Yes.
it is, it's
Yes.
3. How?
Because like you put the is equal to sign like x is equal to and put 3 on the right hand side. So for it's like what do you call x is equal to 3 minus 0 is equal to 3 and then x is equal to 3.
Okay. Your logic is correct, but let's see if it's actually correct or not, like the answer. So basically, the equation is x plus 3 is equal to 0. They are saying check whether x is equal to 3 or not. Okay. One thing, just to make it clear, they're not telling you that x is 3. They are saying check whether x is 3 or not. Now, everyone pay attention. So like Saad said, we will take x to 3 to the other side. Okay, so x is equal to 0. Now, what is the sign of 3? Can anyone tell what's the sign with 3? Is 3 positive or is 3 negative?
Positive.
Positive.
Positive. So what that means, Saad, is that if you take the number to the other side, the sign changes. Okay, so if a number is positive, it becomes negative. Okay, so here 0 minus 3 will be minus 3, not plus 3. Okay,
Okay.
is that clear, sir? Okay, and Tasmeen and Zainab. So what we're doing here is basically we have to separate x. We have to take whatever values we have to the other side. So what we do is, let's say this is the equal to sign, right? if addition is happening here, if the number is if a number is positive, when you take it to the other side, it becomes negative. Okay. Similarly, if addition is if subtraction is happening on one side, when you take that number to the other side, it becomes positive. Now for multiplication, what's the opposite of multiplication? What will happen if I take it here? Does mean you are on mute, unmute yourself if you're saying the answer.
Ma'am, it will come as addition.
No, multiplication. The opposite of multiplication is division, right? So it will be division. And if it's division on this side, you take it on the other side, it will be multiplication. I'll give one example as well for this one. For addition and subtraction, the answer is example is already there. Let's say I have 4y is equal to 16. So what is happening with y? Same example I just took. What is 4? What's the relation between 4 and y? What's happening here?
The 4 is getting multiplied by y.
Correct. So 4 multiplied by y is equal to 16. Now to find the value of y, I'll keep y here and take 4 on the other side. So 4 is in multiplication. That means it will go in division with 16. Now I know that 4 ones are 4 and 4 fours are 16. So y, sorry, 4, yeah. So the value of y will be 4. Is it clear what I mean by we're going to change the sign?
Yes.
Saad, is it clear to you also?
Yes, ma'am.
Then, are you there? I cannot see you, Zen.
Can you see me like?
I can see you. I was talking about Zainab. I was saying that to Zainab. Okay, everyone first write this down, the sign thing, then the equation that I've written.
Okay.
Zainab, are you there?
Ma'am, should we continue with multiplication or should we write on a different topic? This one.
When did I write? When did you write the topic? I didn't. Okay, from where are you writing multiplication?
Yes. Should I the multiplication today,
Unmute
right?
yourself. No. We didn't start multiplication today. In this one, it's all everything's together. So there's no specific topic. Okay?
Okay.
Don't write any heading.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. You can put all this in a box if you guys want.
Okay.
Okay, Saad, write this down as well. Done, Tasmeen?
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Now, now write this down. Write this down as well. So for this one, the first one will be no. The answer will be no. Because the value is coming out as -3. First write this down, then I'll give you guys specific parts.
No, we have to write the whole table.
No. Write this one.
Okay.
Ma'am, I was there.
Saad, stop doing that. Yes, Zainab, what?
Ma'am, I was there when you were like calling me, but my video got stuck and then I could not answer you. First you asked Saad and then Tasmeen and then me to answer.
Okay, not an issue. It's all right. Done, both of you guys?
Done. Done,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. All right, now, all right, now I'm giving each one of you a question. Okay. So the same way, give it a try. Okay. Saad, you answer for this one. Wait, no. Tasmeen, you answer. Fourth one, I'm writing T here, okay? That means it's Tasmeen. This one is Saad. I'm writing S, and this one is Zainab, okay? Also one more thing. When I say the sign are going to change, that will happen only in multiplication and division, okay? Sorry, in addition and subtraction. Signs will not change in multiplication and division.
Ma'am, can you just explain the first one very quickly? Like I cannot.
Okay, okay. You guys continue, both of you. I'll explain. Okay, so the first part was basic. Give me 1 second, Zainab. Both of you write down your questions so that I can scroll
Done,
up.
ma'am.
Done. Question, or you've solved the
No,
whole thing?
I finished the question.
Okay. Saad, you've written the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right, Zainab. So the question was, they have given x plus 3 is equal to 0, and they are saying that find the value of x. Okay, so you have to find what the value of x is. In the question they have given, also check is x is equal to 3. They are saying you have to check whether x should be like is equal to 3. So what we do here is, when this 3 is positive, right? So if I take it to the other side of the equal to sign, this 3 will become negative. So x will be equal to 0 minus 3. Okay, so 0 minus 3 will be minus 3. So the value of x is minus 3. So according to the question, this is incorrect because they have given that the value of x is 3. So no, it's not true because the value of x is negative 3. Is that clear, Zainab?
Yes.
Okay. Now solve your question.
Done, ma'am.
Saad, okay. Yes, this mean how much is your
Done,
answer?
ma'am. I also did.
Ma'am, it's no.
Okay, and how much did you get? What's the value of x?
Ma'am, I got 14.
How?
Ma'am, because you have to add it, right?
Yes. So what did you add it with?
With 7.
Show me the calculations.
1 second.
Okay, but where did the other 7 come from, Tasmeen? It's 1 and 7. Where did the other 7 come from?
Ma'am, I did like x minus 7, so minus turns to plus. And then the x equals 7, and then the 7 in the question, I just added them both.
In the question, there's 1, it's not 7. Look at the question. It's x minus 7 is equal to 1. So x will be equal to 7, sorry, 1 plus 7, right? That will be equal to 8. So your way of solving is correct. Just you've written 1 as 7. So that's the correction you should make. Yes, Saad, what are you getting? Unmute yourself, Saad.
I thought I yeah. For me, I'm getting what do you call no.
Okay, what's the value of 5?
What's the value of
Sorry, what's
5?
the value of x?
X
What's the
is
value
5.
of x?
5.
Okay, correct. Very good.
Ma'am, my answer I'm getting yes, and the value of m is also 6.
Which part did you solve?
I did this 10th one.
So how are you getting 6? They are saying that m is equal to 0. Correct. Like m will be 6. Correct. So the answer will not be yes.
I
It will
did
be no.
this. I know I did this 11th one.
Okay. Okay. So correct. M is equal to 6. So yes. Here it will be m is equal to 6 and they have given m is equal to 0. So the answer will be no. Okay. Then everyone, all 3 of you. Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
So you'll get these kind of questions only. But in the second question, the same thing is given, but they have made the equation a little bigger. Okay, so in this, on this equal to side, you've got a number already. Okay, here also like you have got a whole number. So I'll explain one and you guys try it. Okay, I'll explain one and I'll give you all the same question then. So let's try with B only. 7n. Let me write the question. So question number 2, part B. Okay, so they have given this equation, and then again you have to find the value of n. Okay, uh, but the thing is, yes, and you have to find the value of n and tell whether it's -2 or not. So the same question, just a bigger equation. So I'll start with 7n is equal to. This is in addition. It will go on the other side, and it will be in subtraction. So 19 minus 5. Also, one more thing, make sure you're writing it as 19 minus 5 and not 5 minus 19. Okay. The number that is going on the other side should always be written afterwards. So whether it's a bigger number or it's a smaller number. Okay. Like in the previous question also. Okay, not in that one. But make sure you write the number that you're taking on the other side afterwards. Okay. So this will be incorrect. Okay, so first we're subtracting. So 19 minus 5 will be how much? 14. So 7n is equal to 14. N is equal to 14. And what is happening here? Can anyone tell quickly? What's happening with 7 and n?
Ma'am, then it will become n equals 14 by 7.
Very good. Zainab and Saad, are you not understanding what's happening? Why are you guys so quiet? Unmute yourself, Zainab. I cannot hear you.
No, I am understanding.
I am
Okay,
understanding same here.
so make sure you're interactive also, okay? Make sure you answer when I question. So
Okay.
7 ones are 7 and 7 twos are 14. So n is equal to 2. And according to the question, what should it be? It should be -2. So that means it's incorrect because the actual value is 2. Okay?
Okay.
Is that clear, guys? Okay.
Yes.
Write
Yes,
this
ma'am.
down. Everyone write this down.
Done, ma'am.
All right.
Done,
Everyone?
ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, very good. All right. So I'll give the same question to everyone this time, okay? Um, okay. Try this one. E. Same way you'll have to solve.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Is it
Same, ma'am. Done.
okay? What are the answers you're getting?
No, it's incorrect. It's only 4.
It's only 4.
Yes,
The
it's
value
not.
of P is 4.
Yeah.
Okay. According to
Ma'am,
Zenith, P is 4. What?
ma'am, yes, ma'am. It's
Hmm.
P equals 4.
Okay, Sad, what about you?
Ma'am, it's the same. Like, for the value of P is 4.
Okay, 16 left. Yes, correct. All right. Give me 1 second. Let me copy the next question. Right. So they'll give a question and they're asking.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Am I audible now? Everyone, am I audible now?
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Guys, am I audible now? Okay, am
Ma'am,
I
your
audible? Can you guys hear
voice
me?
is cracking like a lot.
All right. So now the next question is that you have to find the value this time with hit and trial method. Okay. Am I audible, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Now you're.
Okay. Value of by hand method. Can anyone tell what is hidden trial method just by the name? I'm not asking for the exact method. What do you guys think it will be? Anyone? What does it
Ma'am,
mean?
we have to
Hmm.
keep on trying until we get the answer.
Very good. Exactly. So, but in this case, what should we try again and again is the value of p. Okay, so we will start with 0. Let's say that we are assuming, okay, we don't know it yet, but let's assume that p is equal to 0. So what we're going to do is we will put the value as 0. Wherever there's p, we will write 0. So 5p is 5 multiplied by p. So we will write 5 multiplied by 7. Now let's see whether we're getting both the sides equal. We should get both the sides equal. Okay. So 5 into 0 is 0. Plus 2 is equal to 7. So 2 is not equal to 7. So that means the value of p is not equal to 0, right? Give me 1 second, guys. Also, one more thing, I've written the question incorrect. It's not 7, it's 17. But still, it's not equal. The method is same, it's just 17. So 2 is not equal to 17. So that means p cannot be. Am I audible?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, your
you're
voice is
audible, but your
breaking.
voice is breaking.
Am I audible?
No, ma'am, your voice is still breaking.
Give me 1 second. Let me check the net. All right. Is it better? Am I audible now? Is the voice clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If I'll disconnect again, I'll just change the room only. Okay. So in the question, so 2 is not equal to 17. So that means the value of p will not be 0. Okay. Now, again, it's hidden trial method, so we'll have to put a different value. So let's try if let's keep p is equal to 1. If p is equal to 1, then 5p plus 2 is equal to 17. So 5 into 1 plus 2 is equal to 17. 5 ones are 5. 5 plus 2 is 7, not 17. So here 5 plus 2 is 7 is not equal to 17. So that means p is also not 1. Let's try with 2. P is equal to 2. So 5 into 2 plus 2 is equal to 17. I guess we're getting closer because 5 twos are 10. 10 plus 2 is not equal to 17 because it's 12. But as you can see, the numbers are getting bigger. So it was 2, then it was 7, now it's 12. So let's try for p is equal to 3. Okay. So 5 into 3 plus 2. Let's check. 5 threes are 15. 15 plus 2 should be equal to 17. How much is 15 plus 2? It's 17. So that means the value of p should be 3. Okay. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so write it down. You can just write hidden trial method and then you can write down the question.
Ma'am, isn't that known as trial and error? Error, what do you call?
You can say that also. Both of the names are correct.
Okay.
Trial and error, hidden trial. Wait. Okay, in the question it's given it trial and error, so use that word only. It's the same thing, but use what's written in the book. So write down the heading trial and error method and write down the question. Sad, are you writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Good, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, Tasmeen, what about you?
Ma'am, I'm doing the last one. P equals 3.
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
All right, give me 1 second. Let me just copy the question. Okay, can you guys see the question?
Ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So, now, all right. Now, like I said initially, that they'll give you questions where they'll give you a statement and they'll ask you to write those statements in equation form. Okay. So now the first one is the sum of x and 4 is 9. So what's happening in the first one is that the sum, they're asking for the sum. So what is sum? Sum is basically the addition, and sum of what x and 9, x plus 4. So x plus 4 is 9. So that means is equal to 9. Okay. So the answer will be x plus 4 is equal to 9. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Second one is 2 subtracted from y is 8. So basically 2 subtracted from y is y minus 2 and it should be equal to 8. Clear so far?
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
okay, write the statement and write the equation and then I'll give you guys the questions. Write the first two statements and the equation, then I'll give you some more questions.
Ma'am, for all others, like,
Only the first two with the answer, then I'll give you specific questions, okay?
okay.
Ma'am, don't we have to solve it? You're mute, I guess.
I was saying, no, you don't have to solve them. They're just saying that write equations for the following statements. They're
Okay.
not saying find the values also, okay?
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
All right.
Done.
All three of you done? Okay. Now I'm giving questions. This Tasneem, this Saad, and this Zen. One by one, you guys answer.
Done, ma'am.
Who
Done.
said done? Zainab, is it you? Zainab, was it you?
Yes. Should I say the answer?
Okay, how much is your
Done,
answer?
ma'am.
7
Say the
into
answer.
m plus
One by
77.
one.
Sleep.
Done,
Yeah.
ma'am.
7 into m plus 7 equals 77.
Can you repeat?
7 in 7 into m
Hmm.
plus 7 equals 77. 7 into m plus 7 equals 77.
7 times m plus 7. Yeah, correct. Yes, Tasneem, how much is your answer?
Ma'am, it's b by 5 equals 6.
Very good. Saad,
Ma'am, it's 3 by 4 multiplied by t is equal to 15.
which one did you do? Oh, okay, okay. This one is what. Can you tell me again? I was looking at a different question.
3 by 4 multiplied by 3 is equal to 15.
Correct, very good. All right, so okay. Now try these three. Again, this Zainab, this Saad, and this Tasneem. Give these a try. Make sure you read these properly.
Done, ma'am.
Yes, Zainab, how much is your answer?
1 by 4 into x
Hmm?
minus.
Ma'am, for me, like, the screen is paused.
Wait. Yes, Zainab.
Yeah. 1 by 4 into x minus
Hmm?
4
1 by 4
into
into x,
x
correct?
minus
Minus 4.
4 equals 4.
Correct. Saad, can you see it
Done,
now?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, does mean what? Which one? Okay, yeah. How much did you get?
Ma'am, 3 plus 1 by 3 z equals 30.
Okay, wait, let me check. Yes, correct. But make sure that you write the variable first. So it will be 1 by 3z plus 3. Okay,
Ma'am, so if I write it in both methods, is it still correct or should I write the method only in that?
it's correct, but it's better if you write the variable first. Okay, because it's addition, so it's commutative. That means you can add in any order, but make sure you write the variables first.
Okay,
Ma'am,
ma'am,
for
I'll
me
thank you.
it's 6 minus 6y is equal to 60.
Correct, but the same thing, write it as 6y minus 6. Okay, because 6 is going away from 6y, right? Not the other way around. So 6y minus 6.
Okay.
Okay, here you will get a different answer. So make sure you write it. For addition, it's fine, but for subtraction, the order should be correct. Is it clear, all three of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now the next question is the opposite of this question. Next question is the opposite of this question. In this one, they gave you the statements and you had to write down the equation, and the next one they've given you the equation, write down the statements. Like hopefully you guys have an idea of how to write the statements by now. You're reading the statements from the previous question. Give me 1 second. All right. I hope you can see this thing. Sad, sit properly. Okay. Start with the first three ones. This will be Saad. This will be Zainab. This will be Tasmin. You have to write the statements for these. Okay. Give it a try. Otherwise, I'll help.
Done, ma'am.
Yes. How much are you getting?
Ma'am, I wrote 2 times the number m gives 7.
Very good. Next, anyone else?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir.
The sum of 4 and p is equal to 15.
Correct.
Um,
Yes,
I wrote if you minus m and 7, it gives 3.
no, no, no. Like you understand what the by this statement you can understand how the equation goes, but you will not write it like this. See, in the previous questions, how was it written? 7 taken away from m gives you 3. So write it like that. Okay.
Okay.
Give me 1 sec. Okay, write it down. I'll give. Everyone try the fourth one. M by 5 is 3. This one is 3 by 5. M is 6. Okay.
Which
Ma'am,
one do
Ma'am,
you
the
try?
fourth
ma'am,
one.
what do you mean by 3 by 5 multiplied by m?
Mhm. 3 by 5. It looks something like this. So how will you write that
It's
in
like 3 by
fraction?
5 multiplied
So
by
how
m.
yeah, but how will you write it in words? How will you write 3 by 5 in words?
Uh,
Okay, wait, don't answer. Everyone try the fifth one.
Ma'am, can I say? Can I tell the answer?
Wait. Write it in the chat box, please.
Okay.
then ma'am, can I do it can I write it in the chat box?
Yes.
Ma'am, I do not understand like how this statement is gonna like come.
Which part? Like, do you not understand
Fifth
the
one
numbers or
only.
how to write it? Okay,
Like
wait.
how
Let
to
me check
frame
down.
this statement.
Let me get the answers from others, then I'll tell you the statement.
Done, ma'am.
Correct is me. Very good. Yes, Sadam. Okay. I got the answer. Okay, Sad, but not really. If it's 1 by 4, so you will not say 4, like you will not say one part of 4. You will call it 1/4. So 1/4 of m. So similarly, if it's 3 by 5, what are you going to call it? You call it 3/5, and of the number m will be 3. Is that clear?
Okay, yeah.
Everyone. Zainab. Okay, Zainab, for you, I'll explain it again. So what is the number 3 by 5? So I will call it 3/5. So it will be written as 3/5 of the number m. Okay, 3/5 of the number m is equal to 6. Does mean you've written is equal to 3. It's equal to 6. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. I wrote the question as 3.
Okay. Is it clear, Zainab?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear, everyone? All three of you?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
All right, so that's it for today's class. We've covered the first 5 questions. Let me
Yes,
check the
first
screen.
5.
Very good. That's good progress. Okay, give me
So,
1 second.
ma'am, can I leave?
Wait 1 second. So far, are there any doubts? So there's just one question left. We'll do that in the next class. We're not starting it now. But there's just one question left, and then I think there are 2 more exercises. But so far, is this chapter clear? Is anyone finding this chapter difficult?
No.
Ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No. All right, very good. And one more question with your exam.
My exams like ended now, like they're going to be starting 27th of October, like Monday test.
Okay, weekly tests. All right. What about the other two, Zainab and Tasneem? Are you guys done with your
Yeah,
half yearlies?
yeah, it was
Yes.
done before summer holidays.
Mm-hmm. And Tasneem, you also?
Yes, ma'am. Not before summer holidays. It finished like on Sunday. This Sunday.
Okay. All right. So now I want you guys to submit the assignments. Okay. I'll give the assignment for this class. Make sure you guys start submitting them. Okay. Otherwise, you're going to forget everything we have done. All right.
Ma'am, can I submit it on this Sunday because I still have my exams?
Okay. Okay. All right. That's it for
Okay, bye,
today's
ma'am.
class. I'll see you
Bye,
everyone
ma'am.
in the
Bye,
next class.
ma'am.
Yeah, good evening, everyone. I hope all of you can hear me.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening. Aisha, Barwa, Leslie. So, just uh, continue with the topic. We will continue with the aldehyde ketones. Just a second, let me open the file. So, we were discussing the reactions given by aldehyde and ketones, the chemical properties of aldehyde and ketone. So, and we have seen some reactions, very, very important reactions. A lot of these reactions are being asked in CBSE every year, and not only in CBSE, even in NEET and JEE, you will see lot of questions. Got it? From these topics, as these are the most common topics, right? We have seen addition of alcohol, addition of ammonia derivatives. That's what we are seeing. 2,4-DNP. That's what we have seen in the last class. So let's do some problems and just quickly proceed to the next reaction. Be careful about this, which I told you in the last class.